Good morning everyone. I am Dr. Nidhi Sharma from AISSMS Institute of Information Technology Pune. Today is going to give the presentation based on Sustainability Competition Standard for Solar Panel. In my week 1 video, I have discussed about the 8 simple ways to help environment. So by that students are constantly learning how they can make a difference in the world. There are classes and club focused on various social issues, and these places teach students how they can change these issues. In week 2 video, I have discussed about what is the impact of environmental pollution in this whole world. The learning outcomes from week 1 and week 2 video is the students will be able to calculate the environmental footprints to see how much impact just one person has on the world's resources and adjust accordingly. Protect environment and will develop some novel devices to overcome the pollution. They will spread the awareness in neighborhood and the whole world. In this slide, I'm talking about the sustainability competition standards for solar panel. This is the third topic for week 4 YouTube. The solar energy is a renewable free source of energy that is sustainable and totally inexhaustible, unlike fossil fuel that are finite. It's also non-polluting source of energy, and it doesn't emit any greenhouse gases when producing electricity. Using solar power means reducing your energy bills and saving money. Now main thing, the instrumentation. What are the components of solar panels? The 4 major components for solar energy system panels: inverters, racking and solar battery storage if desired. Solar panel are the most visible element of your system, which is why you are likely the most familiar with it. They are in essence the face of solar. What instrument is actually used for solar radiation measurement? Pyranometer. It's an actinometer used for measuring solar radiations. It is designed to measure the solar radiation flux density watt per meter square from the hemisphere above within a wavelength 0.3 micrometer to 3 micrometer. Now what is solar panel system actually? Solar panel, it is also known as PV panel, are used to convert the light from the sun, which is composed of particles of energy which are called photons, into electricity that can be used for power electrical loads. Which are the best solar PV design software? Like what software we use? 8 PV design solutions are there. Aurora. Bluesol is a Microsoft Windows based software that lets you design PV system in any country. Homer. PV Complete is a software platform that lets developers, installer and engineers work together and on one platform. PV Complete, PV Solar, PV System, there are so many. How do you create solar photovoltaic? A solar PV system design can be done in 4 steps: load estimation, estimation of number of PV panels, estimation of battery bank, cost estimation of the system, base condition like 2 CFL 18 watts each, 2 fans 60 watts each for 6 hours. Now the next important point, sustainability of solar panel. How much it is sustained. Solar energy offers many benefits that make it one of the most promising energy form: renewable, non-polluting, available planet-wide. It contributes to sustainable development and job creation where it is installed. When you use solar energy in your home, you lower your overall greenhouse gas emission like CO2 and you reduce the carbon footprint. While solar panels are considered a form of clean, renewable, the manufacturing process does produce greenhouse gas emission. Now how many solar panels do I need? If I need 1000 kilowatt hour per month. If we are receiving average of 4 hours of usable sunshine per day and your solar panel is rated at 250 watts of power, then you will need 40 panels to reliably generate 1000 kilowatt hour per month. An average residential solar panel size today is about 5.5 feet by 3 feet. A panel with a degradation rate of 1% per year will be 10% less efficient after 10 years. In fact, 78% system tested had a degeneration rate of less than 1% per year. That means that after 25 years of use, about 4 out of 5 solar panels still operate at 75% efficiency of better. 10 kilowatt or 10 kilowatt is the 10,000 watt of DC direct current power. This could produce an estimated 1000 to 1500 kilowatt hour of AC power per month, assuming at least 5 sun hours per day with the solar array facing sun. Now, what's the lifespan of solar panel? 25 to 30 years. As a general solar industry rules of thumb, solar panels last about 25 to 30 years. However, this doesn't mean that they stop producing electricity after 25 years. It just means that energy production has declined by what manufacturer consider to be significant amount. And how much a solar panel can be recycled? Silicon based solar panel recycling. Almost all 95% of the glass can be reused, while all external metal parts are used for remolding cell frames. The remaining material are treated at 500 degrees centigrade in the thermal processing unit in order to ease up the binding between the cell elements.